Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Success is not guaranteed, but effort is rewarded by Allah. Take the risk and trust His plan. Put your trust in Allah, but tie your camel first. Hadis Tirmizi. Taking risks is part of life, but Islam teaches us to combine faith with preparation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves from Group 5. My name is Ade Rohana, and my partner are Haris and Arilugina. On this occasion, we will discuss about risk management in expansion. Expansion is a common strategic step taken by companies to increase business scale, expand market, and improve profitability. However, expansion is not without risk. Without effective risk management, expansion can backfire, harming the company financially and reputationally. Therefore, it is important for management to understand and apply risk management principle in every stage of expansion.
Understanding risk management. Risk management is the process of identifying, evaluating, and controlling potential risks that interfere with the achievement of organizational goals in the context of expansion risk and from various aspects such as finance, law, operation, and culture in new area. Types of risk expansion. Number 1, financial risk. Opening a new branch of expanding facilities requires large investment. If financial calculations are inaccurate, the company could face liquidity problem. 2. Operational risk. Operational systems that are not ready or do not match the need of the new location can interfere with business efficiency and effectiveness. 3. Regulatory and legal risk. As region or country has different regulation, lack of understanding of local laws can result in legal sanction. 4. Market risk. Not all products are well received in new market. Failure to understand local customer preference can make expansion unsuccessful. 5. Human resource and culture risk. Culture and legal difference can lead to internal conflict or ineffective in team management.
Risk management process in expansion. Number 1, risk identification. The initial step is to identify all potential risks that might arise during and after expansion. Number 2, risk analysis. Assessing the severity and likelihood of risk occurrence to determine management priorities. Number 3, risk evaluation and control. Determining risk management strategies with her to avoid, mitigate, transfer, or accept the risk. Number 4, monitoring and review. Risks are dynamic, requiring regular monitoring and evaluation of the effectiveness of valid strategies. Strategies to management expansion risk. Number 1, feasibility study and market research. Conduct in-depth research before to expanding to management, market, and legal risk. Number 2, investment diversification. Avoid putting all fund into one expansion area, implement it gradually and measurably. Number 3, flexible management system. System must be adaptable to local conditions. Number 4, strategic partnership. Collaboration with local partner help in understanding local regular and culture. Number 5, local hearing and training. Employing local work and providing training strength cultural adaptation and increases public trust.
Real case study. Number 1, GoViet, Gojek in Vietnam. Gojek expanded its wings to Vietnam under the name GoViet in 2018. Initially, public enthusiasm was very high. However, a few months after the launch, GoViet local management experienced internal conflict that caused the local CEO to resign. In addition, GoViet had difficulty competing with Grab, which had been present and dominant the market. This point that occurred, HR and cultural risks, incompatibility between local management and Gojek headquarters. Number 2, market risk, competition with dominant players. Number 3, operational risk, adaptation of Gojek system and technology is less suitable. Lesson learned, cross-country management, communication, and alignment are very important. Number 2, local competitor research is mandatory. Number 3, adaptation of operational system according to local context is very crucial. Okay, the next real case study. Number 2, Starbucks in Australia. Starbucks has opened more than 80 outlets in a short time since the 2000s. However, by 2008, most of outlets were closed due to failure to attract local consumers who prefer local and independent coffee. Response that occur. Number 1, market risk, failure to understand local consumer preference. Number 2, financial risk, massive expansion without a strong research base. Lesson learned. Number 1, expansion must be gradual. Number 2, adapt product to local tastes. Number 3, customer experience and coffee culture must be understood. Alright, my friend, we will enter the end of our discussion today. Conclusion. Business expansion is an important step but full of risks. Therefore, risk management is not only complement but a key element in planning and implementing expansion. By systematically identifying and managing risk, companies can increase the chance of success and reduce the possibility losses in experience. With word to close our discussion today, fear not the uncertainty of business, for Allah is the best of provider, and Allah the best of trainer, as in Surah An-Anfal. But Allah is the best of planner. Okay, thank you for your attention today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.